As many of you know, fluorescent lighting is being phased out of commercial buildings. For those with Lutron commercial systems, I'd like to show you how easy it is to upgrade your lighting to LEDs without replacing the fixture or wiring with the Lutron Ballast Retrofit Kit by C-Flex. This fixture demo represents one of the millions of fluorescent fixtures still in operation. It has fluorescent lamps and a Lutron fluorescent dimming ballast. We're going to convert this fixture to LED, but first I want you to note how long it takes the fluorescent ballast to preheat the filaments and turn on the lamps. I'm pressing the control button now. Notice the delay. 1, 2. That delay will disappear once we switch to LED. Now we'll begin the retrofit. The first thing we're going to do is take out the lamps. Then we're going to disconnect the lamp wiring. The power wiring. And the ecosystem control wiring. We're going to cap off the unused lamp wires. With the connectors that come with the kit. Those can stay right in the fixture. Then we're going to disconnect the ballast. And we're going to replace it with the Lutron LED driver that has the same connections in the same position. We're going to reconnect to the power wiring. Neutral goes in the same position, so does hot. We're going to reconnect the ecosystem control wiring. And we only use the 2 yellow lamp wires, and they go into the terminals of the LED driver. And now we put in the LED lamps that are glass and look just like the fluorescent lamp when they're off and when they're on. Now we close the case, turn on the power, and we're going to turn it on and see that it instantly comes up, and we have now retrofit the fixture from fluorescent to LED. And we've seen the difference when we turn the lamps off and we turn the lamps on, they immediately come on. It's that simple. No rewiring, no new controls, just a screwdriver, a few minutes, and everything you need in one box. To get started, talk to your local Lutron sales representative or your local distributor.